So you want to get a hair transplant, you have some thinning, but you're wondering if you have enough hair. You are touching the hair in the back and you feel like the hair is not enough. Let's find out what's the solution. Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, Medical Director and founder of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, the celebrity hair transplant surgeon. We're going to talk about people who feel like they don't have enough reserve on the back and sides of the head and what are the options for them. I have a lot of patients coming to me and they're wondering if they have enough hair on the back and sides to transplant the thinning area or balding area of the scalp. So in many cases that people feel like they don't have enough hair on the back, or people come with class 7 of hair loss, they just have a rim of hair on the scalp. When we examine them, we feel like within that small rim of hair they have on the back, they have a good number of grafts. Usually that number is somewhere at least from 2,000 to 4,000 grafts in people with advanced class of hair loss. So think about it. If you get 4,000 grafts from the same rim, you can have a good area of the scalp covered. This is the answer for people who don't think they have enough hair because their hair loss is advanced. Occasionally we see people who don't have enough hair, or their donor hair is not having a good quality. So they have thin hair or thinning hair that we feel like it's not worth removing those hairs and transplanting them. In those cases, we look into the other options. We look into the beard hair. People who have average amount of facial hair, they usually have 2,000 grafts just in this bottom area that people usually trim. So below the chin and neck area has 2,000 grafts. In most people, that number could go up easily to 3,000 or 4,000 grafts if you want to go up to the facial areas too. The other options people have is body hair. People who have thick body hair, they can use body hair. Body hair from anywhere pretty much can be harvested and transplanted to the scalp. So if you feel you don't have enough hair and you're not a good candidate for hair transplant, go see a good hair transplant surgeon and he might have options for you that you never thought about. I hope you learned from this video about the possibility of using hair from the other areas and what you need to be doing if you don't have enough donor hair on the back of the scalp. If you have other questions, put them in the comment section, and also don't forget to follow us on social media to learn the most advanced technology in hair restoration.